Hi guys, it's time for another unboxing video of Daddy and Annielle. Okay. What's next, Annielle? What's this? What's that?
This is some ice cream.
It's a Pororo ice cream. We bought this in Korea.
Korea!
Yeah. It's
And not the hotel apartment, just store.
oh, okay. Tong lulu something song. Okay.
What
So
is the...
let's try. Let's try to open it. Go, unbox.
There's tape. Please help me, there's tape.
Okay. Sit here. Let's unbox this. You're making Dad unbox it, you know.
Yeah, but I want to put something in the video.
Oh my god.
I want to hug it.
Okay. There you go. Unboxing. Oh no. I think we have to assemble this.
We don't need
Oh
to.
no. Tan. Okay. Go.
A bubble wrap, my favorite.
Pororo and friends. You like Pororo?
Yeah, I watched it before.
Oh.
Open!
You open. You're making Dad do all the hard work. Get it. What is that?
It's super easy to do.
What's that?
It is not a nightmare for parents.
Oh, not like the other one. The one we bought.
And we
The ice cream truck?
we can help even fix it.
Oh yeah. This one is cool.
It's too hard.
This one is easy, right? We just put it like that. Ta-da.
So we need some.
And your ice cream. Okay. Unleash all the ice creams. What's this squishy doing?
Is this Pororo?
I think so.
Ow.
So cute. Wow, what's that?
Not the Pororo head.
Okay. See? So this is a
We need butter.
Pororo.
for it.
What is Pororo?
We can watch it.
Who is Pororo?
Pororo is a penguin, ba? Okay. I sit here so you face your audience.
So what ice cream do we have?
So let's open the ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream.
What is this for? Just useless.
Yeah, it's so hot here in the Philippines.
Oh, like that.
Not like in Korea, right?
Yeah.
It's so cold. Oh wow. And here's the flavors. You can put the flavors.
Where will we put the flavor? What is the? Oh wait, I
Flavors
think
there.
orange is orange. Where is the orange?
You can put it anywhere you like.
This is.
Here, all the flavors.
So this one is cookie,
Mm-hmm.
and this one is.
I like this toy. It's not hard to assemble, right? Pororo.
Wait, you have to.
Where do you put this?
I think you need to do it like this.
Oh, for ice cream cupping. Can you show? Yes. Good.
Kind of hard to scoop it.
Oh, there's a scooper. Nice.
How are we scooping this?
And this is, oh, it's the cone or the cup. The cone and the cup. Okay. Why don't you put some ice cream there? The cone and the cup. Very good.
Hey, it's not yet the center.
I'll give you your favorite flavor. How do you do that?
Wait, you have to get this strawberry.
When you get it from here, let's put it here, then you get it from
No, it's not.
It's not there. Mm-hmm.
It's
You're just looking at your back here.
It's here. And then this one is here.
Can you stay here?
Wait, is there some more ice cream?
Yeah. That's all. That's all.
So this one is
display.
Orange. So what this kind of? So this one. Wait.
Yeah. Roll.
I need to. So we put.
Show the viewers. Can you do it like this so they can see you and see what you're doing?
What kind of vanilla? This is cookie.
Mm-hmm.
This will be vanilla.
There you go.
What is this green one? There, keep me. Oh, a pink one. There's something missing.
What's missing?
Dad, what's missing? Is there one more? Wait, let me see in the list.
Try to find it.
I don't know. Help me.
Of course, the orange one on your right side. On your right side, look right. You found it? There you go. See? We like this toy. It's so easy to assemble and it's so nice and fun. Korea!
Where will we put this?
That's a cup if you're gonna put flavors. Okay? Very good. So,
Time to play with it.
but you were already playing with it since a while ago. So
What
let's
ice
show
cream do you
everyone.
want, viewers?
So this is the
What kind of
Pororo Ice Cream set.
What kind of ice cream do you want, viewers?
I think they want strawberry. Can you give them strawberry?
Is there some more? Is there some more? Oh my. There's none. Whoa.
What's that? Oh my gosh, the
Oh.
sprinkles and everything. Okay, fix it, fix it.
Wait. Off the camera first. Okay.
No, it's part of it.
Off it. Off it, Dad.
Okay. I will off it. Go, you fix it. Fix it, fix it.
Off it.
You have to fix it. Very good. Those are toppings, right?
Yeah.
What toppings are those?
I don't know.
You don't know? I think you know.
A hard chocolate thing.
No.
Topping.
You know Dad's favorite.
Chocolate.
Dad's favorite are toys that are so easy to make.
Are you saying? Maroon cookie?
Mhm.
A maroon, two maroon cookies?
Oh,
and
you mean
split-
macaron? Yeah, it's like macaron cookies.
Now on the video again.
Okay,
We're back.
we're back.
Now here's our shop.
Okay, show the viewers your shop.
What do you want, viewers?
Let's come closer and see. Hello, ice cream girl.
Comment what do you want?
I think. What about giving the viewers some strawberry ice cream?
What do you want? Cup or cone?
Cone. Oops. There's hygiene.
Cut that.
Yeah, you caught it? Okay, that's good hygiene, this shopkeeper.
Ta-da!
Thank you! Nom 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 nom. Wow!
Cut it.
It's finished! They ate it so quick. Okay?
Now they're having a brain freeze.
Brain freeze! Okay, now, so show the viewers all the toys and tell them about it. Tell them again where they can buy it.
In Korea, department store Lotte.
Okay.
Hotel.
Okay. Department store Lotte in Korea and Seoul. And what's the toy called again?
Pororo Ice Cream.
Yes, it's a Pororo ice cream. This is the box.
Wait, let's put toppings for them.
Okay. What about making them another flavor? Make the viewers another flavor and put some toppings.
What kind?
You decide what to give them and
So
what to give
comment
your
what do
dada.
you want.
Oh, okay. Comment what you want. But for now, Annielle will give you a special creation. Okay, give them a cup of something. Go.
I will give them. Didn't you know I can do this?
Mm-hmm.
They didn't know we can do this too.
Yes. Okay. Actually, I'm also wondering why are you still in pajamas, Annielle?
Look.
What? Oh, it's a double scoop. That is a strawberry and ube flavor.
Oh, blueberry.
Oh, blueberry. Okay. You don't like ube?
Don't like. That's why I don't sell it in the shop.
Oh, you're not selling it in your shop? Okay.
Cut that.
Okay, okay. Alright, and?
Cookie.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I didn't know you can do that. Stacking all the flavors. What will they think of next?
Here.
I think you put one topping on top. The macaroon.
What color?
Any you like. You're the shopkeeper. You're the ice cream expert. There, wow. Cherry on top.
No, macaron.
Macaron? Okay, give me. Oh, it fell! Give me more.
Cut that.
I'll cut that, okay. Give me. Put. Wow, for Dada and the viewers. So now you can eat it, viewers. Okay. And it's finished. So again.
Like and subscribe.
Okay, thank you for watching our second unboxing. So this is the
See you next month.
yes. So again, let's look at the viewers. So this is the Pororo Ice Cream Toy, bought from Lotte Department Store, right? Lotte Department Store in Seoul, Korea.
From kids area. In
Kids.
the corner.
In the corner, in the kids area.
Yeah.
Okay, so say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, viewers.
Bye.
Say, click
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe.
Comment this video what flavor you want and I will give you it.
Comment on the flavor you like and Annielle will do it for you. Okay?
Please.
Bye-bye.
Bye.